Hello friends! Today we'll be sharing some Buddhist meditation techniques designed to bring comfort and healing to both our physical and emotional well-being, especially during challenging times of sickness. The meditation techniques shared here are not intended to replace medical treatment. However, they can help optimize our state of being, making our body and mind more receptive to the healing process. In this session, we will be sharing some meditation techniques to help us calm our minds from fear. In the face of illness and emotional distress, the practice of meditation can become an overwhelming challenge, especially for those already burdened with troubles. Amidst such vulnerability, an alternative approach is to cultivate faith and a positive attitude first. There is an intricate connection between mind and body. The placebo effect highlights the transformative power of positive mental energy in promoting healing. To fully embrace these benefits, doubts must be expelled from the mind. In navigating the delicate interplay between belief, hope, and physical well-being during moments of sickness, we suggest the following ideas to be adopted. To do that, we simply need to think along these ideas and adopt a strong sense of belief. The first way is to have faith in Buddha. Reflect on Buddha's attainment of enlightenment, transcending suffering, illness, and death. Since suffering has been troubling all sentient beings, including the gods and goddesses, Buddha's achievement is remarkable. Therefore, Buddha is the teacher of all beings, gods and goddesses. Our faith and refuge in Buddha guarantees passage to a heavenly state, alleviating the fear of death. Acknowledge that Buddha has provided a path to enlightenment, freeing beings from suffering. Therefore, we should have faith in our meditation practices and continue with them. The second way is to go with the flow of nature. Recognize our body as part of nature, transcending personal identity. Allow the natural course of treatment and healing to unfold without excessive worry. Have faith that whatever happens is for the best. Embrace a relaxed mindset, akin to allowing clouds to drift in the sky or leaves to wilt naturally. Cultivate calm acceptance. The third method is to make a bargaining vow for purpose. This is to establish a sense of purpose through a vow of bargaining. For example, if I recover, I will become a vegetarian, meditate daily, volunteer, or abstain from intoxicants. Create a positive purpose and incentive linked to the illness and its recovery. The power of such motivation can sometimes foster the determination needed for healing. And the fourth method is to contemplate on the law of karma, or cause and effect. Contemplate illness as a potential manifestation of past bad karma. Generate acceptance to reduce stress and foster a sense of purpose. In this way, we view illness as a positive and meaningful experience, rather than something to be feared. This approach helps reduce stress from struggling against the natural flow. Before we conclude this sharing session, it's important to note that these thoughts are intended to calm the mind and promote positivity, thereby aiding in the healing process. Feel free to personalize the contemplation to align with your beliefs. In essence, these are examples of positive thinking adopted by Buddhists to face illness courageously with a positive mindset. Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share if you like more content like this. May you be well and happy.